Actor Akshay Kumar was present at the Golf Premier League press meet Friday, where he stated that sports for him is not a place to make money.
मेरे लिए पहला मैं स्पोर्ट्समैन हूँ, फिर एक एक्टर। सब एक टीम ओन करते हैं, जैसे आपने बताया। मैं सबका सारा स्पोर्ट्स ओन करना चाहता हूँ। ओके, तो मेरे जितनी कबड्डी चीज़ है, बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है मेरे लिए। मेरे फादर खुद रेसलर थे। ओके, कई जनों को नहीं पता इसके बारे में। तो मेरे लिए स्पोर्ट्स जो है वो एक आमदनी लाने के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है। जहाँ से मेरी आमदनी आएगी, मैं इसलिए यहाँ नहीं आया हूँ कि मेरी कोई आमदनी इसमें से आएगी। मैं इसलिए आया हूँ क्योंकि ये सारे स्पोर्ट्स के अंदर पर्ल्स ग्रुप जो है वो लेने वाले हैं, चाहे वो कबड्डी हो, चाहे वो क्रिकेट हो, चाहे वो हॉकी हो, रेसलिंग हो, सारी चीज़ें। सो इसलिए मैं आया हूँ। सो डोंट पुट इट अ टैग ऑन मी कि आई एम हियर फॉर मनी। बचपन से ही स्पोर्ट्स खेलते आया हूँ। मेरी पहचान स्पोर्ट्स से है। मैं फिल्मों में आया मार्शल आर्ट की वजह से। मुझे अगर किसी ने पहली फिल्म दी, वो मेरे कोई एक्टिंग टैलेंट के ऊपर नहीं दी थी। मैंने अच्छी किक मार लेता था, उसने दी थी। और उसी बदौलत से मैंने तो, आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, जब मैं पहली बार आया था, मैंने तो जिंदगी में कैमरा नहीं देखा था। पहली बार मैंने उस वक्त कैमरा देखा, एंड आई केम बिकॉज ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ मार्शल आर्ट, एंड आई केप्ट ऑन ब्रिंगिंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन। लाइक आई वांट टू प्रमोट parkour now in this industry. I've been bringing it. I got it in my ads. I do it.
Superstar Shah Rukh Khan backs sports as a profession. He says it should be considered a good job opportunity and that parents must be educated about how games can be a viable career option for their children.
Parents will always be a little wary of sports as a profession, and they should be so. I mean, I don't think it's wrong for a parent to believe कि अरे कहाँ खेलोगे, कहाँ कौन सा टूर्नामेंट खेलोगे, क्या करोगे? You know, there's time. Just imagine if we take all the big sports in our country, hockey, football, cricket being commercially the most viable, out of 1 billion people, only 11 are going to get an opportunity once in 3 years to make it to the team. But when tournaments and options like this happen, sports schools will come up. People will know that there are enough kids in this country now. With all due respect and love for the Olympic medals that we win once in a way, I think we are a country which requires many more sports, and we can do it. But there needs to be a backup plan for that and a grassroots level. So this is the grassroots level. The part of the job that will be offered, whether it's by the Indian team in various sports, I think, parents will have to be shown that there is a job opportunity.
Deepika Padukone, daughter of badminton icon Prakash Padukone, says sport was pure and clean during her father's time. She reviews how malpractices such as sport fixing can give any sport a bad name. Following news of actor Bindu Dara Singh's association in the recent sport fixing scandal of the Indian Premier League, Deepika says it is sad how because of a few people, several others come in the ambit of doubt.
I think on our part, I think it's a bit unfair. Of course, it kind of gives a bad name to the sport. But I think it's also a little unfair that just because of a few people, following this malpractice, that you kind of, everyone sort of, then you start doubting everybody else. I think that's a bit unfair on our part. Having said that, I said this earlier on today as well. I think it's very important, like as a country, when you want to shine, as compared to the rest of the world, or you want to be on the same level economically or otherwise, I think it's very, very important that the sports people in our country do really, really well. And this is not really helping that. It's sad. And also because, I mean, I've grown up in a generation where I've seen my father, and the Anil Kumble's and the Rahul Dravids, and sport at that time was so pure and so clean. So to see it go down this route is very, very disappointing.
Koimoi.com